Right, okay, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another little video, bit of an update regarding the batteries on the Hubsan Zino. I've been using a different adapter to try and charge my batteries up. This one here is actually for a babyless for men, it says. I think it's something to do with some kind of a shaving thing, you know, for men. Anyway, let's give it a go and see how we get on with it. Well, in fact, I kind of know what the result was. I'll let you see for yourself what the result was. Let's just plug it in now, and that's the adapter there. Just a little jack kind of a thing goes in there, and with a bit of luck, we can have some kind of a lift off. Hopefully, that's the plan anyway. Right, so there we go. So that one's pretty much fully charged. So's that one, and they're pretty much all fully charged. So I've been using that one there rather than the one on that one there, which is kind of USB small size. So it's kind of done the trick. Good. Right, so all's good. All's good so far. Get filming. Not sure whether that took a photograph or it's actually filming. I don't know. Right, I think we're filming now, so we're good. There she goes. Right, all is looking pretty damn good. So I think what I'll do now, I'm just going to have a bit of a play around with it, but everything seems to be working fine. The battery's fine, fully charged. I've actually got 5 batteries. I found another one. Where I found it was I had a rucksack, which I haven't been in there for about maybe 3 or 4 months. And I found the cam cap in there. And also found another battery for the drone, so we're all rocking and rolling. I've got so many cameras now, and not only that, I've got an old Panasonic Lumix camera which I bought some years ago, and I could not find the adapter, the charger for it, and that turned up as well. So it's been a great day today. It really has been a very blessed day for me today. So let's have a bit of a belt around with the drone and let's put it through its paces. Right, so that's pretty much it for my video today. Yeah, good day today, to be fair. Everything worked out pretty well, apart from one thing, of course. When I take my drone out, there's always a chance that you're going to mess up, and I did do a couple of times, and I got a bit too close to one of the flag sticks on one of the greens. I think when it crashes, I think I lose all the footage of that particular flight. That's exactly what I think I've done. Anyway, I've sustained a bit of damage to one of the props, nothing major. Just need to go home and replace that one there. You can see just the tip of it's just been cut off, just where it probably impacted the flag stick. Anyway, so if I got some footage here, I'm going to stick some pretty good stuff up. Hopefully we got some nice video shots there of the golf course and its surroundings. It's a really nice area around here, up in the Marlborough Downs in Wiltshire. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you on my next videos, which are probably going to be Madeira. Anyway, take care, and bye for now.